Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas with the Cookbook Kitchen. My name is Carol. I hope you've been enjoying the video that we've been doing so far. So guys, today we have a new video and today we are going to cook from Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook. And what are we making today? Today we are going to make some meatloaf. This is what the book calls it. Chunky Italian sausage meatloaf. The book says this meatloaf tastes like Italian sausage. Let's try out this recipe. I'm going to use some ground beef, but you can also use ground chicken. That's what the book says. So let's see what we are working with and we start cooking. Today I have so many things on the table. The recipe has a couple of things, but let me show you what we are working with. I have some ground beef. Like I said, you can use chicken. This is cassava flour. You can use sorghum if you don't want cassava flour. Apple cider. Some garlic. I have an egg. I have water. Some black pepper. Some salt. Yeah, I have fennel seeds, dried oregano. This is coriander. This is paprika. And this is sweet potato puree. I have some parsley. I have some thyme. Some roasted bell pepper. This is leek. This is fennel bulb. I have some fresh dill. I have some fresh chives. I hope I have shown you everything. I hope so. So guys, let's begin. We'll start by sauteing the fennel and the leek. Our fennel and the leek. You're supposed to saute the fennel and the leek until they become golden brown. I'm going to add in some salt, some black pepper, then the spices. You're going to cook them for a few minutes, but you make sure they don't burn. I think this is ready. Now we continue. Now I'm going to mix our veggies with the beef, the bell pepper, the sweet potato puree, the garlic, the apple cider, the egg, the fresh herbs, more salt, the thyme, and then we mix well.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply,
Then we add our cassava flour,
echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see.
Our mixture is ready. We are going to put it in a loaf tin and then I'll bake it for 1 hour.
Come adore on bended knee, Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
I didn't use my water. The water is supposed to help you once you put in the spices, just to make sure they don't burn, but I was standing there and I stirred throughout the time, so I didn't have to use the water. So see you when the loaf is ready. Our meatloaf is ready. We're going to wait for it to cool down a bit, and as it cools, I will make a glaze. I'm going to blend some bell pepper, roasted bell pepper, some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some salt, then some black pepper. I will blend and then we are going to brush the glaze on top of the bread. Here's the glaze.
Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ.
Guys, time to taste. See the way it looks inside. It looks really nice. Guys, the book is right. This tastes nice. It tastes like sausage. Wow. Wow. The book says that the glaze is optional. Trust me, the glaze is not optional. The glaze brings in a new, what would I say? The glaze enhances the taste of the loaf. The loaf is good as it is, but the glaze is also on another level. So guys, once you make the loaf, make it with the glaze, and trust me, you will enjoy this. Make this for your family, for your loved one during this festive season, and enjoy. That's it for today. Bye bye and God bless.